Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera focus enhancer on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app, and then to turn on or turn off the focus enhancer, first point at an object. Make sure that your camera zoom is set between 1 to 2 times zoom. If you don't use the 1 to 2 times zoom, then you will not be able to use focus enhancer. Now over here you can see there are two yellow dots. So if I tap on that, I can turn off focus enhancer or I can switch it on. If there is a two yellow circle, that means focus enhancer is on. If I tap on it, you can see there is one white circle, which means focus enhancer is off. Okay, now if I switch it on, you can see here if I try to zoom out a little bit, then that option is gone. And if I zoom in to 1 times, then focus enhancer should be turned on. And I can zoom in a little bit more, 1.7, and you can see focus enhancer is still there. If I zoom in over 2.2x or 2 times zoom, then focus enhancer is gone. So again, make sure it is between 1 to 2 times zoom. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.